Hi everyone, Ian here. So I put together a few of my thoughts on Python package installers for new Python developers and how difficult they quite often find it. Parceled it up as this article called "One Does Not Simply Pip Install," complete with a picture of the Boromir meme, and put that on Hacker News over the Friday. Didn't get a lot of traction, went on holiday, and lo and behold, it's blown up over while I've been away on holiday. So yeah, this article did very well over the weekend. On Sunday, it got more traffic to it than I've ever got in the entire time my blog has been listed. It's sent me more traffic in one day than in 6 months, so I'm guessing it resonates a little bit with other developers. Something I've seen recently, today in fact, though, as an aside to this, is a Python enhancement proposal that seems like a really good idea. Now, a Python enhancement proposal, if you're not aware, are the things that go into Python in each release. There will be a number of them listed that you will have been suggestions for features going into Python, and it happens in every new release. There's one which is called PEP 704, which is particularly relevant here. That's a suggestion for requiring virtual environments, which might get rid of a lot of these headaches that I have with, and new Python developers have with potentially using a package installer and not using a virtual environment. And all it does is suggest that it prints out an error message if it is not within a virtual environment, or exits if it's not within a virtual environment and doesn't allow you to install packages. Now, you can still force it to do so. It's not something that is currently available in any package manager, but this just seems like a really sensible approach to resolving this issue. If you want to use pip and you want to install globally on your system, go ahead and do that and force it. And this just makes a whole load of sense. Get it in there, get it shipped, get it in Python. This is an alternative to another PEP, which is the one with PyPackages that I can't remember the name of. PEP 582, that is the PyPackages one. That's what PDM uses, not by default, but you can opt into it. PEP 704 is suggested to go into Python 3.1.3 and above. We are currently on Python 3.11. So yeah, we can't expect this for a couple of years, but it seems like a really sensible approach to doing things and something that I'd be definitely down with. Spit out an error message on the command line while you're using installer and say there's better approaches to doing this. Gets rid of the problem on readmes whereby you can just talk about using package manager to do stuff, and it suggests best practice for new Python developers. So yeah, well done to Pradian Gedem for putting this together and suggesting it. Yeah, we should do this. Okay, I'll speak to you next time. All right, bye for now.